Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting by importing the photo into Canva. Pick the highest contrast version available to improve automatic detection. First, select the image on your canvas and open Edit Image, then choose Background Remover. This tool analyzes edges and colors to separate subject from background, so let it run fully. Once done, review the result and make sure the main subject is preserved. If edges look rough, don't panic. The next slide shows how to refine and manually correct mistakes for a clean composite. Now refine the mask using the Erase and Restore brushes. Change size and softness to work around hair and fine edges. Zoom in close because small movements fix large visual problems. Restore missing parts if the remover cut too much, or erase leftover background specks. If you need semi-transparent areas, reduce brush hardness for gradual blending. Make sure to toggle between tools as you go, and then apply subtle effects or shadows so the subject matches the new background's lighting and perspective. Finish by placing the subject onto the new background. Scale and position for natural composition. Once placed, use small blurs, color mix adjustments, or filters to blend tones and disguise any hard edges. Export as PNG for transparency, or choose JPG if you flatten layers with a background. If the auto remover failed, try a higher resolution image, enable transparency on the export, or perform a manual cutout with the lasso-like tools. One quick tip: undo and rerun remover after minor edit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.